Hello there, Taylor from SevereWeatherTV.com, bringing you the latest in tropical cyclones, United States severe thunderstorm weather. So we have two areas of interest. In fact, this thing is actually out of season. The season has not started over there quite yet. Over here, per the JTWC, medium chance of tropical cyclone formation. Per the India Meteorological Department, they say a well-marked low pressure area has formed, and they say that this thing could concentrate into a depression by tomorrow. So that is that system. And I believe it's supposed to be bringing rains to the area regardless of development. Then there is this, and it's not even the season yet. May 15th is the official start of the season, so it's not that far out of the season. But this thing is actually up to a 50% chance per the NHC in Miami, right? Up from a 30% earlier on this. So this thing is expected, regardless of whether it develops officially into a tropical cyclone, to move into Mexico and bring probably some rains. Here are a couple of visualizations. Here's the ECMWF, which tends to be more reasonable. So it basically shows it skips ahead really quickly. It's going to come back. There, that thing. So that doesn't really indicate something developing. And then there's this GFS, which tends to be more sky is falling. Does show it developing a little bit more. These visualizations, I believe, are of the upper level winds to give you an idea of what we're looking at. So the GFS, of course, is always a little bit more favorable, but even the GFS isn't really showing a development at the moment. But this thing could still turn into the first named storm of the season. Who knows? That would be Tropical Storm Amanda if that were to happen. So that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones. In the land of United States severe thunderstorm weather, there's all sorts of stuff to talk about. Here's an overview. Here's today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and then at least as of now, quiet after that, or at least uncertain as to how loud it will be, I guess would be another way to phrase it. So here is today, 5% chance of hail. I believe this would be the hail map. I believe this is the wind map. Let's see. Let's see, shall we? There's the wind map. Okay, so 5% chances in several different areas, and then a hail chance up there, 5%. So that'd be 1 inch or larger hail. That'd be winds 58 miles per hour and greater. Tornado threat, not huge today, apparently. Tomorrow, not only is it as high as a 30%, but we've got this black hatched area. They being the Storm Prediction Center, don't really clarify, but it would appear that this would be a significant hail type threat. So instead of 1 inch or larger hail, this could be indicative of 2 inch or larger hail. And by the way, both tomorrow and the day after that are, I believe, supposed to be mostly wind and hail threats and not tornadoes. Isolated tornadoes, but not, not a tornado outbreak, hopefully. So this is day after tomorrow, where again you've got the black hatch area. And again, I believe that's going to be for the 2 inch or larger hail instead of just 1 inch or larger. And again, 30% chance for this area. But then after that, at least as of now, the Storm Prediction Center has not put anything on the map. But, for the medium range, days 4 through 8 are the medium range. They tend to not put anything on the map unless there's good agreement. So that doesn't mean that there isn't a threat from Friday onward, but just that it's not stable enough or whatnot. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website you can go to for more information on things. And of course, if you go to Severe Weather Outlook and look at the top, it will tell you risk areas. You can drag this map marker around to find out, see, that area apparently is in the significant threat with the 30% and just, there you go. That's what you can do. And that is it for today. Have fun.